mud, wet, it's typical conditions here. What a shot and what a save from Oates! Well, you won't see many better saves than this, keeping Wolves in the game. They're the ones who need the points. That's a big point forward by Muscat. There's opportunity for Sinton. What a goal! Andy Sinton just stroked it over the keeper to put Wolves in front. Where they haven't enjoyed the greatest record. Branch picks up. That was a mistake. Proudlock's onside. Adam Proudlock. What a finish. Wolves have two. Just 5 minutes into the second half. Great finish. What an instinct and what a goal.